Hello, very good day. I hope you are comfortable because in the next presentation, along with my partner Mario Alberto Rodriguez Escalante, we will be talking about the standard organization, focused more on the part of sensor and actuators. We will talk about Nace, Ieee, and ISO.
The National Association of Corrosion Engineers (Nace) is an organization serving nearly of 35,000 members in 130 countries and recognized globally as one of the premier authorities of corrosion control solutions. NACE offers technical training and certification programs, conference, industry standards, reports, publication, technical journals, and government relation activities, and more. The NACE international standards apply to corrosion prevention and control and are used by a multitude of industries where corrosion is a key concern. These guidelines assist industries during the design, building, and operation of systems and minimize the negative impact of corrosion. NACE standards enable you to reduce operation interruptions, improve safety, increase revenue. And I will say three examples of the standard of NACE in electronic specific in sensors and actors. And the first one is implicit current test method of laboratory testing of aluminum anodes. Each each standard describes a quality assurance procedure for determining the potential and current capacity characteristics under laboratory conditions for aluminum alloy anodes using for cathodic protection. The producer screens various heads or lots of anode to determine performance consistency or irregular based from lot to lot. One method for anode potential evaluation and two methods mass loss as and hydrogen evolution for current capacity evaluation and described. Performance criteria and sampling frequency are left to the discretion of user of the standards. The next standards of NACE is guide wave technology of piping application. In 1998, pipeline operators began to use a form instrumented inspection technology that has evolved into what known at present as guide wave testing (GWT), which detects change in the cross-sectional area of the pipe wall. Test equipment software provides a percent estimate of the change, gain or loss, and is often expressed as percent estimated cross-sectional loss. These changes include metal loss indication anomalies or defects such as corrosion, gouges, etc., or metal pickup such as welds, blades, flanks, etc. When properly applied, GWT can monitor cross-sectional loss over time and provide economic benefits and efficiency in integrity assessment. The ultimate standard of NASU is testing of catalyzed titanium anodes for use in soils of natural waters. This method is intended to provide an indication of an anode ability to perform satisfactorily for a specific number of years, because such as anodes can fail with little or not weight loss. Lifetime expansion cannot be extrapolated from operation and normal operating current density, and testing must be conducted at high current density until an acceptable amount of share has been accumulated. This standard is applicable for catalyzed titanium anodes intended for use in the underground or underwater environments. The next standard is Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineers, Ieee, and is a worldwide association of engineers dedicated to stagnation and development in the technical areas.
With nearly 425,000 members and volunteers in 160 countries. It is the largest non-profit international association made up of new technology professionals.
It was created in 1884 by Thomas Alva Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Franklin Leonard Pope, and other engineers.
In 1963, it adopted the name Ieee by merging association with the AEE IEEE, American Institute of Electrical Engineers, and the Ieee, Institute of Radio Engineers.
According to the IEEE itself, its job is to promote creativity, development, and integration, share, and apply advanced information technology, electronics, and science in general for the benefit of humanity and the professional themselves.
Standards of IEEE in sensor and actuators. The first one is standard for sensor performance parameter. This standard presents a standard methodology for defining sensor performance parameters with the intent to ease system integration, burden, and accelerate time to market. Here, within a minimum set of performance parameters are defined with required units, conditions, and distributions for each sensor. Note that these performance parameters shall be included with all other industry accepted performance parameters.
Other standard for IEEE is standard for qualification or safety related actuators for nuclear power. These standards establish criteria for qualification or safety-related actuators and actor components in nuclear power generating station and other nuclear facilities in order to demonstrate their ability to perform their intended safety functions.
And the last one standard is an interface for hardware description models of electronic components. This for to provide a standard method for interfacing and many complex electronic models to design automation tools. This method is aimed to providing efficient, accurate, and tool-independent to interfaces suitable for late designs such as system on a chip. And the last one standard is from ISO, is an international organization for standardization. It's an international organization that aims to develop and promote international standards in a wide range of areas, including technology, manufacturing, trade, and services. These standards aim to improve efficiency and safety in industry and facilitate trade internationality. The International Organization of Standardization (ISO) is an independent, non-governmental organization formed by the Standard Organization of 167 member countries. It is the world's largest developer of voluntary international standards and facilitates world trade by providing common standards between countries. Nearly 22,000 standards have been established, covering everything from manufactured goods and technology to food safety, agriculture, and sanitation. ISO has several standards related to instrumentation, specifically sensor and actuators. Some of the most relevant standards include the first one is this standard focuses on the integrity of measurement systems and establishes requirements to ensuring the accuracy, reliability, and consistency of measurement system. The second standard is a standard focuses on sensor calibration and establishes requirements for sensor calibration, including sensor selection, calibration processes, and measurement techniques. And the last one is a standard of the integrity of control system and establishes requirements for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of control systems. In summary, ISO standard relations to instrumentation, sensor, and actuators. Establish requirements to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and consistency of measurement. These standards are important to ensure the safety and the correct operation of system and to improve efficiency in the industry.
Finally, thanks for listening some of the institutions that talk about standards into the electronics. So that's it. Thank you.